In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clone Instagram app on your Android smartphone. So you may want to clone your Instagram app if you want to have two separate apps, but on the same smartphone. Now, the good thing is Android has made it possible to split this app into two and then even set two separate accounts under each. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. So to get started, go to settings and then tap on it. And then scroll down until you see the option called apps, and here is apps. Tap on it to open, and from this look for the option called dual apps. So this is the option that will help us split that app and have now two apps on our smartphone. So tap on it, and then from here this will open all the apps you have on your smartphone. And as you can see, some of the recommended apps that you can clone or split is Instagram. So to create a dual app on Instagram, just go ahead and tap on it. Or if you can't find it here, just go ahead and search for it under this list, and then you should be able to find it. So once you have found it, just go ahead and tap on it. And then we have an option here to create dual apps. So if you go ahead and turn on this, we are told here that it will require this app to work with Google services. So go ahead and turn it on. This is okay. And then as you can see, it is on and the creation has happened. So I'll go back, and now look at that. I have my initial Instagram app, which is this, and now I have another new Instagram app just similar to this that has been created. The cloned version will come with a yellow mark, that is a badge from Google services indicating it's a clone of the initial app. So this is still original app, so you can go ahead, tap on it, and then begin setting up your account on this new cloned app. And if you open it, you can see here we can now agree to terms and conditions, and then go ahead and log in with a new account or create a new account on this. So that's how you clone an Instagram app on your Android smartphone. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.